Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable picture-in-picture on Messenger on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Tap on General and tap on Picture-in-Picture. Make sure to toggle next to the pip automatically is turned on. Quickly after that, go back, scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Right now my phone is on 5%, so I can't do this, but to do this step, make sure to charge your phone. Tap Background App Refresh again. Tap Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also make sure that Messenger is toggled on. After following these, move on and restart your iPhone. Now you should start a video call on Messenger and check if you are able to minimize the app and continue using other apps on your device. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.